quadratic expression and equation. Some problems have more than one solution and has to choose the most convenient answer depending on the situation. An algebraic expression that contains two terms is called a binomial expression. For example, a plus b, 2 minus c, and x plus y. Expansion of two binomial expressions with similar variables gives a quadratic expressions. Worked examples. Example 1. Expand into brackets x plus 1 into brackets x plus 2. Solution. X into brackets x plus 2 plus 1 into brackets x plus 2. Splitting the first bracket, that is into brackets x plus 1, is equal to x squared plus 2x plus x plus 2, removing brackets, is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 2. Collecting like terms is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 2. This is a quadratic expression. Example 2. Expand into brackets 20 plus 3 into brackets p minus 2. Solution. Into brackets a minus b squared is equal to into brackets a minus b into brackets a minus b is equal to a into brackets a minus b into brackets a minus b is equal to a squared minus ab minus ab plus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Factorization is the process of expressing a quadratic expression in terms of it. Note, to factorize ax squared plus bx plus c, we get two numbers whose sum is b and product is a times c, which is equal to ac. Factorize x squared plus 5x plus 6. Solving quadratic equations using factorization. When a quadratic expression is equated to 0, we get a standard form of the quadratic equation, that is, into brackets, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. However, the expression can be equated to any other value. For example, 2x squared plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 4. Worked examples. Example 2. Form the quadratic equation from the roots given. P is equal to 1 over 2 as P is equal to 2 over 3. Quadratic equation can also be formed from real-life situations. This can be illustrated by the examples given below. Example 1. A piece of barbed wire is used to fence a rectangular field whose area is 300 meters squared. Given that the length of the rectangular field is 10 meters, more than twice its width, find the width of the field and find the length of the barbed wire. Solution. From the diagram, area is equal to 300 meters squared. Let the value of the width be ym. Then the length will be, into brackets, 2y plus 10. Therefore, the area of the rectangle is length times width, which is equal to area. Y either y minus 10 is equal to 0, where y is equal to 10, or y plus 15 is equal to 0, where y is equal to negative 15. We cannot have negative measurements, and therefore the value of y is equal to 10 meters.